Hey, what's up, DLRs? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas today, and in today's video, the friendly steps on how to convert your clock from a 12-hour to a 24-hour configuration, or in other words, standard to military time. Let's get started. DLRs, we're outside, and in front of us is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Let's hop inside. We're inside the vehicle now, and the instrument cluster is illuminated, and the only reason it's illuminated right now is because we opened and closed the door. However, we're coming down to the engine start stop push button. We are going to push that in once. That is going to turn on our electrical system, including our center screen. Coming back to the instrument cluster and down, we are selecting the engine start stop push button a second time. That's going to turn on our ignition. And as you see, there it is. Coming over to the screen, and you see top center 7:40, and that is the current time. And again, in today's video, we are going to show you how to change that time from a 12-hour to a 24-hour or military time. All you have to do is come up and select it. Do you want to adjust your clock settings? Yes. And from here, you can sync time with GPS, which we already have that. And from here, you have the 12-hour, which is selected, and if I select the 24 hours, check that out, it goes to 24 hours, which is 1941, aka 7:41 p.m. Or if you want to go back to the 12-hour, there it is, 7:41. However, 24 hours, aka military time, 1941. And we can deselect this, and we can set the time both in hours and minutes. However, once we select the sync time with GPS, we no longer have the capability to adjust the hour and time. However, in this configuration with it synced to the GPS, we still have the option to select 12-hour or 24-hour.